Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow channeler tree to unlock a lot of rewards and grow a garden Zen update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this location or this area and then you're going to go to the Zen channeler, and to grow a tree, you need to submit your tranquil fruit. Okay, I'm going to click on talk to Zen channeler. Okay, and then you can submit your tranquil plants or tranquil fruit, and he will grow you a tree. Okay, and as you can see, this is my tree, guys, and my tree is on stage 4. And then I'm going to complete the requirement here. As you can see that 180 Zen required, and I'm going to complete it. So I'm going to submit all my tranquil plants. All right. Okay, and as you can see guys that I got a lot of rewards. Oh my god. One of them is the Zen seed pack, and then I'm going to go to my garden. Wow, what is this? Oh my god, sorry. Okay, I'm going to go to my garden and I'm going to see or check the reward. Okay, I got the Zen crate, and then I got the Zen seed pack. Well, let me check it. Where is it? Okay, I got one Zen seed pack. And let's see it. Zen crate. Okay, and I got the Zen gnome crate. Alright. And I also got the Zen egg. I got 3. Oh, that's so cool. So it's really worth to grow the Zen Channeler 3 because you will be able to unlock a lot of rewards fast. And then you will be able to unlock the Zen Treasure as well. Wait, let me show you. So when you go to the Zen shop, you will unlock Tranquil Treasure. Sorry, Tranquil Treasure, I mean not Zen Treasure. Okay. I have already unlocked the koi path, but unfortunately it's still not available. So I just need to wait until it's available. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!